Right, there we go, there's liquid clear done. Okay, let's go with this phthalo green. Let's make a bit like this into the phthalo blue. And I'm going to go somewhere like this. I'm going to go with some purple here. Didn't clean the brush, just kept it in that bluish sort of colour. A lot of purple colour there. Okay. Just put it into some of that green. Some titanium white here. Okay, start around here. We'll do one there, but this one's bigger. This one is a bigger one. I'll just add some little things in here as well. Okay, let's just pull this up. Very gently. And that showing up the top there. And then slightly shorter. Just pull up over here. Want this sort of big and different. Lift up. Just a little. I quite like them sort of. We'll just do a couple there like that. Just coming off. Want this one fainter, of course. Let's nick these colours, just a little bit of each, the purple, the blue, maybe a bit of green. We're going to this black. Mix this up over here. It's amazing, right? I've got a picture in my mind and I'm just putting it on canvas. So we're just going to put this little tree line in there. Well, I'm going to go somewhere like that on this one. This out a little bit here, just pull this down. Tap in the bottom of them. Should get a little bit of mist in between there. I'm going to start over here. See? Just a little suggestion of a higher tree there coming in front of this. And then we can imagine something coming through here. So we can just have a little bit coming through here like that. Okay, this can be a little stream. I'm going to pull this down here and just go over this, but go somewhere like that. Just fill all this in with dark. You can come put some highlights on here later. I have like a pool of water in this one, so I'm just going to create some water around here. Look at that, picking up all them colours. And I can change anything I want to change. Perfect time to say, go and check out my website, please. Purchase a painting or a print. And yeah, visualfusions.co.uk. Yeah, go and check that out. Right, you're going to see some water being made, okay? So this is how I do it. Thank you. So we've got a nice sort of watery feel to that already. And maybe this side as well, we could have two waterfalls coming in. I don't know, let's just go around here. We'll just do a little waterfall there. Maybe we'll have one over here. Sort of at that sort of angle. I'm going to hide some of that. Do some little splashes, even mist or whatever. Yeah, we could have some like little rocks and stuff in front of this. Look, we'll just put all different kinds of shapes and things there. Fill all this up with dark. We're going to come put some highlights and stuff on these. It's all dark there. We're just going to do a little sort of just make out the edge of the water there. Over here we can just put a nice little thing around there. Just to add a bit of movement on this water here. Splashes at the bottom of this waterfall here. Highlights on here. Some little rocks and stuff, you know. Big one coming out there. Just drag them down like that. And it's very shiny for me too, just making them into some nice rock shapes. Bob and Brenda time. Bob's having a look at the shares. Okay, can you do some more shares? And Brenda is looking at the likes. Yeah, we need more. I'll tell you what, we'll just put one in. Sort of comes off this way, this one, and then like that. You can just, we'll do just like a little bit of mist down on the bottom of this one. There we go, like a nice bit of mist there. I'm just gonna go up a little higher there. And we're going to come and we're just creating water here. Don't know how far I'm going to have this water, but I'm doing a big area and then I can come back to that. Let's do a little rock here, shall we? Nice little rock that lives there. Whatever you're feeling, just a little something there. Create some here. Can have it curving down a little bit there. Just the direction of the brush will show which way the land goes. Well, I'm just making that thin paint now. That should be thin enough. Liquid clear, going into some dark. Let's go with a tree somewhere then. We'll just have some very simple trees just coming around there. And this is very, same sort of place as the other one. Just some little branches coming off on this one. Getting this to break here. I've made up a dark colour there. We can come and put some highlights on the top. So you can just fit a little bit in here. This will change. This feel of this bit here. Go and take it up a look at the website. This one will be up soon. Okay, Waterfall Dreams. Let's do this. 3, 4, 2. And here's my signature.